How to use the calendar feature. In this training video, we're exploring how to use the calendar feature in the Communicate module. Begin by clicking the Calendar tab. This tool helps with planning and can be very versatile. You can schedule things like staff meetings, parent-teacher nights, and center events. It also helps with meal planning. Use the View option at the top to see your calendar by week, month, or day. Change your view by clicking the drop-down arrow. To choose a specific day, use the calendar on the left. You can create calendars for internal staff use or for families at the center. Create calendars for specific groups, like preschoolers or admin staff. All available calendars show up in the My Calendar section. Let's start by creating a new calendar for a specific group. Click the plus sign at the bottom to start. Enter a name for your calendar, such as All Staff. Then click the Add People in Groups icon. You can choose from groups, staff, or specific members to decide who will see the calendar. For this example, we'll make a staff calendar. After choosing select the members you want to include. Use the Share with All Staff toggle to select everyone at the center. By default, only active staff are selected. If needed, you can also include future or inactive staff, or limit it to specific groups. Click Add Selected Staff to set up the calendar for staff, then click Save. Your calendar is now visible. Below it, toggle any calendars on or off. To mute notifications for any calendar, click the bell icon next to it. Now, let's create a family calendar. Click the plus sign to begin. Name the calendar like Center Families. Click Add People in Groups. Choose Groups. You can share the calendar with all groups by toggling on, or choose specific groups from the drop-down menu. In the Staff Access area, decide if room staff can edit the calendar. By default, staff can only view. Guardians can never edit. Click Add Groups to finalize the new group calendar. This allows sharing of important information and dates with families. Those with portal access receive notifications for new items. Let's add a new event to a calendar. Start by clicking Create. Name the event in the dialog box. For example, Monthly Staff Meeting. Choose the event's date and time, and add a description if needed. Under Reminder Settings, choose your notification preferences. Each user can set their own reminders. To make it recurring, click the Make Recurring icon. Select how often it repeats, like monthly. Use the series end date field to decide when the event should stop recurring. Tip: for regular events with no end date, set a far-off future date. Click Save to add the event to everyone's calendar. You can also use the calendar for menu planning, showing parents and staff what's being served daily. If all children receive the same meals, use a general calendar. For group-specific meals, share the calendar with the right groups. Let's create a menu event. Click to create a new event and name it, such as Monday's Menu. Select the appropriate date and time. Enter meal details in the description field. Ensure you select the correct groups in the calendar. Click Save to display your menu details. To share the calendar or import it into other apps, use the Share link. Note that editing access is needed to share a link. Locate your calendar. Click Share Calendar, enter a name, and choose the calendar you want to share from the drop-down menu. Click the Create Link icon to generate an iCal link, which you can import into apps like Google or Outlook. Changes will reflect in these apps. We've now completed the calendar list.